Happy Hootie. Today we are going to try out something to see if it works for my little puppy dogs. So they have so much anxiety. They see somebody outside and they are barking and barking and barking so very much. They hear a loud noise. This little fella actually jumped off the back of the sofa and broke a toenail, all because my son walked by really quick. They have lost their minds. We've tried different medicine that we've got from our vet, and it didn't really do a whole lot. They said we could upgrade it to some other medicine, but because they're so small, it would have to be in liquid form, and it was gonna get really expensive. So we asked my cousin, who is a holistic vet, of some other options. She gave us lots of different choices. One of them she said she was interested in, that she had heard about, was this Calmer Canine Anxiety Treatment device. The more research we did on it, the more positive feedback we were getting from everybody. So we decided we're gonna try this thing out. So what it is you hook this onto the dog around its neck, and it holds a little halo over here, and it sends electromagnetic pulses into the anxiety parts of their brain, and it helps them to calm down, to realize that things are gonna be okay, so they don't freak out so much. We just would really make sure we watch the pets as they're using this halo. And we will watch over the next 6 weeks. I'm gonna do some different tests to see if we can see any improvement over the course of time, and hopefully this changes their behavior. After you get the device strapped on, don't ever leave your dog unattended. Make sure that they're not wearing any sort of metal on their collars or anything like that. If you notice when they're sitting there that it's off to the side, this little part just comes off the Velcro, so you can take it and move it however you need to have it. And you still see this little blue light is still going. If your dog has some sort of a pacemaker in, or any sort of device that would interfere with the signal in here, I would read the manual and make sure that it is still okay, or what you're supposed to do. There's a lot of different warnings and things like that within the book, the user manual that comes with it. Here we're doing our halo treatment. And you can see as it's going, it's got this blue light that blinks until the 15 minutes is over. And then once that blue light turns off, then they can take it off and be ready for the next one. Our dogs do not seem to mind it. Usually they just lay down and go to sleep. We've been doing this canine calmer for about 6 weeks now, and I am so impressed with the difference that our dogs have just made in that time. The first couple weeks I was kind of starting to question whether it would work or not, but now we can go to the door, they bark a little bit, they whine a little bit, and they get right over it. Same thing goes when we have people over. They get excited, of course, because they're dogs, but then they calm down and they're fine. We've had people even comment, like, your dogs are doing a lot better. So I am super impressed with this canine calmer. I would highly recommend this product. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can check it out on Amazon and try it for yourself. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.